Alright. What should we name these guys? This guy is, Jesus, hear those snores? Let's get a close up on that. Alright, I got names. This guy's Tribal Indian, and this guy's the Barbarian. Check out the little pampered babies. You know, if I were to plug that guitar, it's already plugged, like strum it, oh my god, I would wake these guys up. But sadly I can't because there's other people sleeping and it's really loud.
Oh, just sleeping like a little baby. Oh, look at you. You're sleeping like a little baby. No, look at my baby on a treetop.
Look at this guy. Jesus, I don't know what's louder. Freaking air conditioning broken, dripping water, or this guy snoring. Wait, is he waking up? No. Back from a whole day's work. Oh my god, I don't know how bad I'm tempted to wake these guys up. Good, look, we got a big teddy. This is priceless.